I just feel like I have forgotten to make videos because मैं बोल ही नहीं पा रही हूँ. I am just blabbering so much. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing awesome. बहुत दिन बाद मैंने बैठ के इस setup में ये बोला है and it feels so good. I'm not gonna lie. Clean up वगैरह करने के बाद this entire thing setup करने में मुझे at least 2 घंटा लगा है, which is I think it'll be worth it. But before moving on, I really want to wish you guys a very happy Diwali. I know ये वीडियो दिवाली के थोड़े से टाइम बाद आएगा, but since मैं पहले नहीं विश कर पाई, so I want to wish you guys right now. And I wish जो आने वाला साल है is like the best year of your life in terms of work, in terms of your relationships, in terms of happiness. In general, I wish you the very best for the next year. Now, for those of you who've seen the last video, know that I went to Sarojini twice in a span of 15 days and मेरे पास बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं तुम्हें दिखाने के लिए. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, starting off with the very first thing. Now, this thing that I'm going to show you guys right now is by far my best and my most favorite purchase from Sarojini of all times. And when I say of all time, it's a huge thing because मैं Sarojini बहुत जाती हूँ. मतलब ऐसे लगा लो 2 महीने में मैं एटलीस्ट एक बार तो चली जाती हूँ. एंड आई नो कहाँ पे मुझे क्या चीज़ कब कैसे मिल सकती है बिकॉज एक्सपीरियंस बट दिस टाइम दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग इट वॉज सो अनएक्सपेक्टेड एंड व्हेन आई सॉ इट आई जस्ट न्यू आई वॉन्टेड इट एंड व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट राइट नाउ इज दिस very beautiful tan colored it's not tan, it's like beige और tan के बीच में fur coat which is more than knee length. First of all, it is so soft. Thirdly, it is exactly my size. मतलब ये इतना सा भी मेरे से ऊपर नहीं है साइज, लाइक प्रॉपर मेरा फिट जैसे मेरे लिए ही बनाया हो ऐसा. एंड दिस हैज नो डिफेक्ट एंड द गाय एक्चुअली कोटेड 2400 rupees for this and I was like भैया मेरे पास इतने पैसे होते तो मैं मॉल में जाती ना, मैं आपके पास क्यों आती. And then he started laughing and I got this coat for I think 400 rupees which was a steal. I do not pay more than 300 for overcoats in Sarojini but I could just not let this go. The best part is कि इसके अंदर ऐसे बटन्स नहीं है, लाइक प्रॉपर बटन्स नहीं है. इसके अंदर ना ये वाले बटन्स है विच यू लाइक टिच करके जो बंद होता है, टिक टिक आवाज़ आती है जिसके अंदर, इसके अंदर वो वाले बटन्स हैं विच इज़ द बेस्ट बिकॉज वो बहुत सीमलेस हो जाता है, वो दिखता भी नहीं है. So yeah, this is my very first purchase and of course my favorite which was 400 bucks. I got it from Graffiti Lane by the way. Uska shop is like when you enter the Graffiti Lane na, then the last shop on the left is this guy's shop and he has the best stuff. So definitely make sure to check it out. Alright, moving on. Now I know you guys use Instagram. I also use Instagram. Everybody uses Instagram and I know you must have seen these thrift stores selling varsity jackets for 2400, 1900, 1500, 1400 and so on, which is such an absurd price because मैं same चीज़ लेकर आई हूँ for 500 rupees and these guys are selling it for like 4x price पे, which makes zero sense to me. Now I understand that these guys are going out searching things and then cleaning it up, sanitizing everything. It still does not justify कि तुम 4x करके प्राइस पे सेल कर रहे हो. That is not right. Now I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I actually got 2 varsity jackets. One for my I got 2 of them for the 3 of us क्योंकि हम लोग ऐसा शेयर करके पहन लेते हैं. But since निहारिका की अब she's gonna get married and everything, so she might want to take one for herself away, which leaves me and Yatharth with one each, which is always a win-win. So my favorite is this one. I got this maroon wala varsity jacket which also came with, by the way, a brooch over here which is so cute. And yeah, it says Japanese Seoul on the back and यहाँ पे J बना हुआ है कुछ करके. मैं इसको एक्चुअली ड्राई क्लीन एंड एवरीथिंग करा चुकी हूँ. द वैसिटी जैकेट्स एंड द ओवरकोट मैं ऑलरेडी ड्राई क्लीन करा चुकी हूँ बिकॉज मैं इसे नहीं पहनना चाहती थी. बट देयर इज़ वन थिंग, एक्चुअली इन दोनों ही वैसिटी जैकेट्स पे देयर इज़ लाइक दिस पेंट थिंग जो लगा हुआ है, जो मुझे उसने बोला था कि आप इसे थिनर से या फिर मेकअप रिमूवर से हटाओगे तो हट जाएगा. आई हैवंट ट्राइड डूइंग इट. मैं करूँगी ट्राई, अगर हो जाएगा तो ऑफकोर्स आई विल अपडेटेड ऑन द स्क्रीन और मे बी इन द कैप्शन बिलो. बट दिस इज़ वॉट द जैकेट लुक्स लाइक. वेरी ब्यूटीफुल जैकेट. अगेन दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द स्टोर्स जिसमें हमेशा मैं शॉपिंग करती हूँ. इंसेंस वाली लाइन है, उसमें आप सीधा आते रहोगे तो आगे लेफ्ट साइड पे जो लास्ट शॉप है, दिस इज़ द शॉप जहाँ से मैंने ये खरीदी थी. आई डू नॉट रिमेंबर द शॉप नंबर. नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं जाऊँगी तो शॉप नंबर अपडेट कर दूँगी. बट This is what the jacket looks like. तुम्हें वैसे भी try on part में better दिख जाएगी, but beautiful. Love this. Got for 500 rupees flat. He actually quoted 1200 for each of them, but I got for 500 each. The second varsity jacket, by the way, is this one. This is big on me. This is really big on me. मतलब ऐसा कि अगर मैं इसको पहन के घूम रही हूँ और मैं ऐसा हाथ हिलाऊंगी ना, I look like a penguin, which I think I do when I wear it. This is what it looks like. It has the initial S over here. मुझे K वाला मिला नहीं, अदरवाइज मैं K लेती. इसमें पीछे लिखा हुआ है संग क्योंग खान. This is what it says on the back. Again, really pretty. I love the color. I love the, you know, how it looks on wearing. Of course not on me but on my sister, because उसको proper fit आता है. Even मन्ना को भी ये properly fit हो रहा है. जिस मैं बहुत छोटी हूँ यार, मैं घर में सबसे छोटी हूँ, मुझे नहीं fit होता है कुछ भी आराम से. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Again, one of my favorite finds from Sarojini ever. Now both of these varsity jackets actually come with this collar thingy. First of all, I think this collar is what actually makes them look really cool. इसमें से stripes है, and then जो sleeves part है ना is actually made of PU. As far as I understand, this is PU, and end में ऐसे again it's like a closed hem, which I personally like. Now these jackets also come with the same sort of buttons जो overcoat में थे, which is like stitch button. It does not have that you know, traditional button and hole thingy going on, and I really, you know, I really find them cute. Just that ये दोनों के दोनों ना थोड़े से ऐसे हैं मटेरियल, बाहर से, not अंदर से, but बाहर से they're like a little bit rough. अंदर से तो of course you have this, you know, padding going on and everything. I'm not even kidding, this is very you know, warm, क्योंकि मैंने अभी try on part के लिए I wore it and I was like bro I need to take it off. मैंने AC चलाया था try on part के लिए, but again really warm and amazing quality. I love it. थोड़ा सा rough है but बाहर से है तो चला लेंगे, ऐसे कोई problem है नहीं. Alright, so the next thing that I got is again a jacket. Now this time I found so much of corduroy in Sarojini Nagar. It's not even funny. मतलब almost every single shop had corduroy pants, corduroy jackets and everything. It looks so stunning. It has like those traditional button and hole thingy going on. अभी dry clean होके आई है तो मैं इसे खोलने नहीं वाली हूँ इतना. But this is what the jacket look like. ये मन्ना मुझसे already ले चुका है, मतलब he's not, this was in his अलमीरा. मैंने अभी निकाली, मैं तो भूल भी गई थी, मैं लेकर आई हूँ. But this is what the jacket looks like. Again, very pretty. You know, if you style this with a black pair of jeans or maybe leggings or even wide leg jeans and a pair of boots, it's gonna look so good. I love corduroy. I've been looking for like corduroy pants for the longest time, by the way, but expensive आती है and Sarojini में मुझे मिल नहीं रही है. Anyway, this is what the jacket looks like. Again, very pretty. This one is from a brand called Jones New York Signature Women's है, but ऐसे पहन के पता नहीं चलता. It looks more like a unisex jacket. यहाँ पे pocket है, यहाँ पे भी pocket है. Traditional button and hole thingy going on. पीछे there's nothing specific. Corduroy makes you look so rich. It makes you stand out of the crowd. It's such a luxurious fabric. I feel corduroy just, you know, elevates the look to another level. The price of this jacket, I think the price that he quoted was somewhere around 1500 rupees, and I got it for 350. If I'm not wrong, I got it for 350 rupees. Moving on to the next thing that I have, which is so not me. It's so not me. I bought this very pinky neon pinky sweater, and I thought जब मैं actually ले रही थी ना, I was like, you know, this time I will not buy anything that's black or white, especially in sweaters, because मेरा पूरा wardrobe में it's black or white only, be it summer or winter. अब मैंने colors start करे incorporate करने. I was very specific कि मुझे नहीं लेने ये दो colors, and I found this particular sweater very out of my comfort zone. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna wear it or not, but this is what it looks like. Normal, you know, turtleneck sweater है ये. Poofy sleeves, very, I mean, the sleeves is what got me. It's so cute. ऐसे मतलब, you know, balloon sleeves effect है इसके अंदर, and it's not very long. It's just not exactly cropped, not exactly not cropped. A very weird height, but kind of looks really cute on wearing. You'll see in the try-on clip, looks really cute on wearing. And you know, this is not the kind of color I would wear on a normal day-to-day basis, but I'm happy that I experimented. I think I paid around 200 rupees for this sweater, and I think I'll be able to take out its worth. It's so beautiful. Not me, but beautiful, and I'm gonna try and wear it this winter. At least I'll try. Moving on to the next thing that I have, which is again a sweater, and again something that I usually do not wear, which is this very pastel lilac color, lavender color, I'm not sure, but this is what it looks like. The thing that actually attracted me towards this sweater was इसका जो ये work हो रखा है, not exactly work, इसको मुझे नहीं पता इसको क्या कहते हैं, बट दिस इज़ वॉट अट्रैक्टेड मी, जिसका पैटर्न यहाँ पे है. आई रियली लाइक्ड इट. एंड इवन कॉलर वॉज ऑल्सो समथिंग लाइक जो हम स्वेटर्स कॉलेज में नॉट कॉलेज बट स्कूल में पहनते थे, द काइंड ऑफ कॉलर दैट द वैर्सिटी जैकेट ऑल्सो हैज़. सो आई वाज लाइक दिस काइंड ऑफ लुक्स क्यूट एंड I may be able to style it with the pink jeans that I have, which I bought from Satsapras. If you don't remember, I did the Myntra haul. I'm gonna tag it on the iCard above and also link it in the description box. But I thought I'll be able to wear it with it. But ये जो इसका पीछे वाला पार्ट है ना, this collar thingy from the back, ये वाला पार्ट, ये ऐसा उठा हुआ है and looks so weird on wearing. I was really excited about it, but probably this is the only thing, not this, ये और एक और चीज़ is the only thing from today's haul which was a major fail. I'm still gonna try and talk to मम्मी कि इसको कैसे मैं फिक्स कर सकती हूँ, because ऐसा उठा हुआ looks very weird. What happens is ये ऐसा जाता है and फिर ये ऐसे उठ जाता है. It looks extremely weird. This also I think I paid around 150 or 200 rupees for this one, and ठीक है, मतलब मैं क्या बोलूँ, हो गया है, ऐसा हो जाता है कभी कभी. The next thing that I got is a fall leather skirt in black, of course. कुछ तो मुझे black लाना ही था. So this is what it looks like. It's an A-line skirt. It says it's from Primark. I'm not sure if it is, but इसके सामने यहाँ पे this button detail is there, which by the way I've seen somebody on Instagram wear a very similar skirt, and she also tagged it as Primark. So I'm guessing it actually is. But this is what it looks like. A very basic skirt, A line है, यहाँ पे pocket है, thankfully यहाँ पे pocket है दोनों sides पे, and पीछे से भी nothing major. The fact that it has loops for belt is a very good thing, because ज़रूरत पड़ती है, please belt और belt loops and pockets दे दिया करो, हमें ज़रूरत पड़ती है. So this is what it looks like. I really like the fit of it, and ये actually again this is also like a proper fit for me. So a tip here, if you guys don't know if a particular thing will fit you or not, what I do is ये लेके I just check अगर मुझे नेक पे प्रॉपर फिट है, ऐसे मतलब टाइट करके नहीं, नॉर्मल इफ आई डू एंड इफ इट्स मीटिंग, बोथ द एंड्स आर मीटिंग, दैट मीन्स इट विल फिट मी. So this is a tip that one of the shopkeepers in Sarojini told me, and ever since I've stuck with it, and it always works. कभी मुझे ऐसा problem नहीं आया. Of course, do not try it with high-waisted stuff, because of course उसके साथ नहीं जमेगा. I think I paid like around 150-200 for this, which is a steal, because इसमें एक भी कट नहीं है. There's no defect in it. बाकी ये जो wrinkles and everything है, I know I can fix it. So always again. The next thing that I have is again a skirt. Now this is a tennis skirt. बहुत ही beautiful. It's a very beautiful pastel pink color. I actually wanted a tennis skirt in black or white, but मुझे पूरी market में नहीं मिला. I ended up getting this one because this one comes with a shorts attached to it, which is so cool. क्योंकि तुम्हें ऐसे when you wear skirts, you have to first wear shorts, then you have to wear skirt, which becomes very uncomfortable. And वो ना जो bands होते हैं दोनों के, they just keep colliding, and it gets very uncomfortable around the waist. But this one comes with a shorts attached. डबल कपड़े नहीं पहनने पड़ेंगे, and ये I can just pull up the shorts, because थोड़ा सा लेंथ लंबा है तो मैं थोड़ा पुल करके अगर पहनूंगी तो it'll be perfect. And color is also so nice, almost like a neutral color, and I can pair it with that pink sweater. It looks so cute. मतलब मैं गुलाबो बोलेंगे मुझे लोग, but I don't mind it because it's gonna look so cute. This skirt I think I paid around 150 to 200 rupees for this one as well. मैं थोड़ा सा unsure हूँ, because दोनों skirts मैंने एक ही शॉप से ली थी, and I paid either 300 or 400 for both of them. तो थोड़ा सा मतलब वो 150 to 200 के पैकेट में है. The quality is really nice. मैं पिंक वाले को actually धुलवा चुकी हूँ. It's washed, pressed and everything, and इसके साइज में और या फिर शेप में या फिर कोई धागा नहीं निकला है, कुछ भी नहीं. द क्वालिटी इज अमेजिंग. द ब्लैक वन आई एम येट टू गेट इट आयरन. लाइक डू नॉट आयरन योर लेदर फॉर लेदर स्कर्ट्स, पुट अ क्लॉथ एंड देन डू इट. तो मुझे वो वाली चीज़ करनी है टू गेट रिड ऑफ द रिंकल्स, बट द क्वालिटी ऑफ बोथ ऑफ देम इज really nice. Alright, moving on to the next thing, that is this pink bucket hat. And now I know कि मैं कुर्ते के ऊपर bucket hat पहनूंगी तो काफ़ी weird और funny लगेगा, but this is what it looks like. I really think it's really cute. मेरे पास I think I have like a beige colored one and also a black one and a zebra print. वो dual है तो वो दोनों तरह चल जाता है. But I have two of those and I wanted something in a very fun color. I was actually looking for like a yellow or a pink, and मुझे ये वाला pink मिल गया, so I was really happy about it. looks like this, a very normal bucket hat के साथ कुछ ऐसा मतलब different नहीं है इसके अंदर. I think I paid around 200 rupees for this, and this one I got from जहाँ से you exit the graffiti lane and you walk opposite to the incense वाला store, then you find this I think second या third ही shop है towards the left, wherein this guy keeps like a lot of bucket hats, berets, and those caps, like the big ones जो ऐसा सर्दियों में पहनते हैं. I'm forgetting beanies, like he keeps a lot of beanies. He also has sunglasses and everything. So this hat I got from his store, and I think मैंने पहले भी एक तो कोई चीज़ उस पे से खरीदी है, and the quality was really nice, तो I knew कि यहाँ से मैं लूँगी तो quality अच्छा ही निकलेगा. Moving on to the last thing that I have, which is this pair of trousers, which is in pink color, and I think I've bought a little too much pink this time. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's a very normal basic linen pants. I wanted something, if you follow me on Instagram and if you've seen that green trousers that I have, I wanted a fit like that, but ये मुझे thighs से काफ़ी ज़्यादा fitted है, and I did not want something like that, but अब ये आ गया है तो I'll have to sort of get it fixed, क्योंकि थोड़ा सा margin है तो I'm guessing ये fix हो सकता है थोड़ा बहुत तो. But this is what it looks like. Normal linen है. Linen of course थोड़ा सा sheer होता है. Always make sure कि जब भी तुम linen ले रहे हो या मेरे बोलने से ले रहे हो तो just know it कि linen हल्का सा sheer होता है. तो make sure that you're wearing the right kind of undergarments under it. But it says that it's from Gap. I'm not sure if it is. This is what it looks like. Again, really pretty color. The fit is nice. If I can get it fixed, it'll look much better, but ऐसे भी looking nice only. Alrighty guys, that is it for this haul. This is all that I bought from Sarojini. I am obsessed with almost everything, but the overcoat has my heart, and I think for a few months it'll be my favorite, or maybe more, I'm not sure. But whatever it is, that is all for my haul. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. In case you did, definitely give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also leave a comment down below letting me know which is your favorite thing, and where exactly do you shop from Sarojini. Also follow me on Instagram, follow Zoe on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you guys very soon.